Sakal Gunaarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O Sutta Goswami, please describe those topics of the Lord by which Maharaj Parikṣit, whose intelligence was fixed on liberation, attained the lotus feet of the Lord, who is the shelter of Garu, the king of birds. Those topics were vibrated by the son of Vyasa, Srila Shukdev. There is some controversy amongst the students on the path of liberation. Such transcendental students are known as impersonalists and devotees of the Lord. The devotee of the Lord worships the transcendental form of the Lord, whereas the impersonalist meditates upon the glaring effulgence or the bodily rays of the Lord, known as the Brahm Jyoti. Here in this verse, it is said that Maharaj Parikṣit attained the lotus feet of the Lord by instructions in knowledge delivered by the son of Vyasdev, Srila Shukadev Goswami. Shukdev Goswami was also an impersonalist in the beginning, as he himself has admitted in the Bhagavatam, but later on he was attracted by the transcendental pastimes of the Lord and thus became a devotee. Such devotees with perfect knowledge are called Mahabhagavats, or first-class devotees. There are three classes of devotees, namely the Prakrit, Madhyam, and Mahabhagavat. The Prakrit, or third-class devotees, are temple worshippers without specific knowledge of the Lord and the Lord's devotees. The Madhyam, or the second-class devotee, knows well the Lord's devotees, the neophytes, and the non-devotees also. But the Mahabhagavat, or the first-class devotee, sees everything in relation with the Lord and the Lord present in everyone's relation. The Mahabhagavat, therefore, does not make any distinction, particularly between a devotee and non-devotee. Maharaj Parikṣit was such a Mahabhagavat devotee because he was initiated by a Mahabhagavat devotee, Shukadev Goswami. He was equally kind even to the personality of Kali, and what to speak of others. So there are many instances in the transcendental histories of the world of an impersonalist who has later become a devotee. But a devotee has never become an impersonalist. This very fact proves that on the transcendental steps, the step occupied by a devotee is higher than the step occupied by an impersonalist. It is also stated in the Bhagavad Gita that persons stuck on the impersonal step undergo more sufferings than achievement of reality. Therefore, knowledge imparted by Shukdev Goswami unto Maharaj Parikṣit helped him attain the service of the Lord. And this stage of perfection is called Apvarg, or the perfect stage of liberation. Simple knowledge of liberation is material knowledge. Actual freedom from material bondage is called liberation, but attainment of the transcendental service of the Lord is called the perfect stage of liberation. Such a stage is attained by knowledge and renunciation, as we have already explained, and perfect knowledge, as delivered by Srila Shukdev Goswami, results in the attainment of the transcendental service of the Lord.